Let's ask God to bless our celebration. Will you pray with me? God, you are our Father and our Mother. Before we were, you are, and all that we are is a gift from you. As we begin our celebration of the anniversary of the day that women in Texas said no to a state legislature that refuses to trust us, we thank you for giving us our voice. We thank you for the leadership of our candidates for governor and lieutenant governor. We thank you for the Senate colleagues who stood for us and with Senator Davis that day. And we thank you for bringing us this far. We are not done. We have far to go. So now, we ask you to strengthen our resolve and our determination to change the government of the state of Texas with our votes for the Democratic nominees. We ask you to inspire every eligible voter in the state of Texas who believes that our state government must represent all the people of Texas, not just the rich and well-connected. Inspire them to vote. Inspire us to work for that vote. Bless our campaign to change the way government operates in Texas. Bless the people of Texas and bless this celebration tonight. Amen and amen.